Hello everybody, today in front of me I have VIVO Y76 5G smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So call up for the keyboard anywhere. Here at the top part of the keyboard, look for this icon that basically is responsible for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and pretty much all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch, and after that the clipboard of your keyboard is successfully activated. In order to manage the clipboard elements, tap on this pencil, select the elements that you want to remove, and then tap on this trash bin. In order to add the element to the keyboard, all you gotta do is copy something. In my case, I'll just type in car, select it, copy, and if we will open up the clipboard, we'll see that the car element has been successfully added. So that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!